Burpees. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, this was supposed to be a mukbang of Jamaican food, right? And it's not. I'm gonna tell you why. But first, look at this big ass fucking slice of pizza. It's from Maryland Jumbo Slices. You know, get my thumbnail. I think that's gonna be a good one. So I'm gonna eat this big ass slice, and I'm hungry. Okay, let me try this. This is pineapple and bacon pizza. Okay, hold on. Let me tell you what happened. So remember I said I was gonna do a Jamaican mukbang. So boom, I go to Uber Eats. You know, Paul, they get to sleep. I'm like, all right, let me get some jerk pit, okay? I got curry goat, beef patty, cocoa bread, and jerk wings, and a Jamaican soda. So I was like, that. I ordered that like around, some buffalo wings. See if they're hot. Ooh, I got them hot. Ooh. Ordered that, either way, ordered that around like 9 something. And it was like, it's gonna take 60, 75 minutes. I'm like, oh, okay, let me try to rush it. You know what I'm saying? And see. Sorry, y'all, I'm a little hot. Good, right. Oh. So, I'll order it. The guy about to pick it up. I put ranch on mine. Ooh. He gets to the fucking store and calls me. He calls me and says, yeah, I don't think they have something that you order. And I said, okay, what don't they have? He says, none of it. And I'm like, what are you talking about? He's like, yeah, they're saying that the restaurant is closed. I said, how is the restaurant closed if I just placed my order an hour ago? I've been waiting for you to get it. Like, why wouldn't they have been canceling? He's like, I don't know. So yeah, take it up with Uber. Listen, all I know is I didn't care. First of all, I was pissed as shit, okay? First of all, I had just hit a J. I was pissed because I was ready for my food to come. I'm like, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna get cute. You know what I'm saying? I put some little freckles on me. So I didn't cancel my order. That nigga didn't do anything. Like, the joint was still sitting there. So then it says, oh, we're waiting for another. We're gonna get you another. Driver. This is actually bomb. This is really, really good. They get a second driver, okay? The second driver gets there. I'm looking at the jump, and it's saying that he's about to go pick up the food, but he's just sitting there, right? Nothing happens. Boom, they try to find another driver. Nigga, I'm just waiting. By this time, I ordered something else. This is how this came about. So I'm like, fuck it. I'm not canceling because, see, one thing about Uber is that they petty sometimes. Like, you'll cancel, and it could be the restaurant's fault. So you won't get your refund. So this is what I suggest you do. Don't touch that shit until they fucking touch it. Period. Period. Mm. Mm. This is really good. Mind y'all, this mukbang was supposed to be, I didn't make a mukbang. We were supposed to talk about behind their eyes. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh. It's cool. I haven't had a spray in forever. My burp. Excuse me. They keep getting stuck. Okay. Behind Her Eyes. Behind Her Eyes on Netflix. That has to be the craziest shit I've seen all 2021 so far. That show was wild, okay? This is bad. Let me get myself together. Excuse me. Behind Her Eyes was the craziest shit I've ever seen. I would have never thought it ended that way. That shit really, I have to go watch it again just to watch the ending to make me understand it, because that shit. Excuse me. Excuse me. That shit was crazy. Okay. That shit was crazy. Wait. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ooh. This is really good, y'all. Speaking on Behind Her Eyes. That bra was crazy. Okay, first of all, it's one thing to fuck around with somebody's baby father, or fuck around with somebody's boyfriend, you know, or fuck around with someone's situations that you don't know. Like, you know, you didn't know, or even if you did know, you know, that's what you choose to do with your life, then that's what you choose to do. But I feel like there's levels to all that shit. When you get to married men, I just feel like that's like a no-go zone. And I don't be trying to judge people, but it's like, bitch, where's your morals? Like, okay, you know, excuse me, you could have played the side chick for somebody, but they wasn't married. You know, you could have flirted and, like, you know, did some shit you wasn't supposed to do. But was he married? You know, because it's just, in a sense, it's just like to the point where it's like, it's not like they're just talking, or it's not like, you know, they're just fucking around, they just live together, whatever the case. It's like, nigga, they chose to get married. I just feel like that's just the biggest step that you can take in your motherfucking life. Like, you know, that's a real deal. Because it's more so like saying, it's not like, hey, this is just gonna be my boyfriend, I can just get another one. No, bitch, you have to go through paperwork. You know, you have to go through a lot of shit. So for someone to step to that level to say, yeah, I'm gonna marry this woman, or I'm gonna marry this man, and then your little ass just comes around and starts fucking with that person, it's like, wow, bro. Come on, shame on you. Shame on you. I wasn't even gonna do this mukbang no more, for real. Only because I was already bummed that I couldn't get my Jamaican food. And I'm like, fuck. I did my, did my eyebrows and try to be cute. And it's like, I'm not gonna have no time tomorrow. And I gotta get these videos out. Bear with me. Like my fucking teacher, bear with me. It's just a lot, man. It's just a lot. You know what, Maryland jumbo slices? I must say, it's good. I ain't got no complaints. I don't think I'm napkin. That's pretty damn good. This was supposed to be Jamaican again, not Jamaican mukbang, but it's not. It's not, I'm sorry. And I wish I would stop telling me to do the Sprite and banana challenge, guys. I don't want to do that challenge. I've seen previews of it from other people, and I am not a fan. She's Louisa. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's right. Maybe I'll try chili soda or something, but I ain't doing those bananas Sprite, y'all. So stop it. Stop it. Swish. Oh my God, this gave me a headache. I think I'm gonna finish with it because I'm getting tired of chewing. Ooh. That burps didn't come out. Excuse me. Did this big jumbo defeat me? Yes. You know what? That was really good. I can't front. I'm not trying to eat too much spicy food like late at night, so I say that for the boys tomorrow. But this is it. Shout out to again. Whoa, I don't even think I'm gonna be able to chug a damn on soda. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you for tuning in to watch me eat. my lipstick off, clearly. That's all I'm doing. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I will be definitely more awake next time. I promise. Catch me next time. Well, maybe I'll do Jamaican food if the stupid fucking restaurant takes the order. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I could just take us out of the game. Don't mind me. Just using my camera for my lips. 2 buttons.